natural. Like,
I was not trying it.
yeah, just not much.
Be careful.
I'm gonna take the wrong route now, like what?
Turn right. Be careful not to take the wrong route.
So consistent. I don't know where we are. We're in the middle of Jeju, in the middle of the forest.
Jeju day 2.
Day 2.
This is my dream come true, guys. Their eyes look so scary.
We're on the moon.
Can you pretend you're on the moon?
These are my teddies.
These are his people.
These are his ancestors.
Can you stand like that?
Stand just like them.
Single mom who works 2 jobs. I'm a single mom who works 2 jobs.
Mom that works 4 jobs.
This is me, you, Jonathan, Nathaniel.
Sucks.
The only time he's like working a job is when he's driving. Yeah.
Yeah. Take a
Pretty
look,
similar
guys.
to this.
Whose hair is better?
Honestly, I feel like Jonathan's hair is this. It's not even about better. But you just gotta like wait.
We stand side by side.
literally
You
the same
guys are
person.
the same.
Let me take a picture.
Let's do.
We're about to paint with crayons.
We're gonna contribute to this wall.
Yes.
You're into
ma'am.
art? You're into me. Welcome back to Art Class with Gracie. Today we're gonna draw teddy bears. Because we're at a teddy bear museum, so how fitting is that? We have a special guest. It's my roommate, Sumi.
안녕하세요. Guys, I am gonna draw with Gracie today. Oh gosh, I feel like drawing this. Okay. Start off with the head. Oh gosh, I kind of messed up. Okay. I'm literally just copying Gracie's, but don't tell her that. And then we do the body. And then the legs. Oh no, guys. I think this episode isn't gonna get published. I think that's the best I can do.
Hello everyone.
Let me take a picture of me and Gracie's real quick in case you ruin it.
Yeah, before I terrorize. Alright, minimalistic drawing. 8 circles.
That is a technique that you can definitely use.
9 circles. 10 circles. 11 circles. 12 circles. Okay, then I have to stop drawing circles.
It looks like a piggy. It looks like the pig we saw yesterday.
Wait, what?
Calling my bear a pig. It's a bear pig.
There you have it, folks. Art class with Jonathan. My new purchase. This is the end. We're now leaving.
It has to be greater than the last prime, but less than 2 times the last prime.
Nope, we're not playing that.
I did not hear marshmallow in that, so. One marshmallow, check it out.
2 marshmallows. 2 marshmallows.
Check it out, check it out. 2 marshmallows.
This is the same exact
Hey, what did I
mistake as
do?
well.
Woo! 1 marshmallow, check it out. Woo! This is 2 marshmallows. 1 marshmallow.
Check it out.
Ooh.
2 marshmallow. 2 marshmallow. Check it out. Check it out. Woo!
Ooh. 3 marshmallows.
3 marshmallow. 3 marshmallow. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out.
Ooh.
4 marshmallow. 4 marshmallow. 4 marshmallow. 4 marshmallow.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out. Check it out. Woo!
Ooh. 5 marshmallows.
5 marshmallow. 5 marshmallow. 5 marshmallow. 5 marshmallow. Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out.
Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. I can't count. My legs hurt.
Hey, 5.
That was 5. That was impressive.
Is that what?
What
How far
the
don't
weed?
get? How far don't?
I was like, weirdos were climbing those rocks. And then I took a closer look and it was our weirdos.
Yeah, what kind
our
of
weirdos
weirdos
are climbing those rocks.
Steph is up there too.
Hi guys.
Hey vlog, we're at Tupco. We're at Tupco. It's so windy. We'll show you the view.
Look at the rock striations right there. Those are formed by multiple rocks.
Ooh, we love a geology girl. This is my view. And there's some brave, but potentially stupid people.
They're part of our group.
Running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left hand man.
예쁘네.
'Cause you are my girl.
You're so funny people. What are these people doing?
Okay.
No, I think that's the batter. I think it's special batter. That's the sauce, right?
I thought that was like a Chipotle ranch or something.
Yeah, honestly, what's wrong with that?
Hey guys. Hello. Aria and Anais told us about this very special puga puff. Okay, moment of truth. Wait. Cheers. It's hot. Even the batter is really good.
You just got dough and you're like,
Even the batter is good.
It's so good.
Special sauce.
Right?
We stumbled upon a treasure.
We'll have to come back now.
At a bike rental place. That was a funny sneeze. It's so good. I'm gonna order another one. You're gonna get another one? Is that excessive?
I just think it's a little funny to go back right now. That'll be the third time seeing my face. I'll stand over there. You might want to take your hat off. They'll definitely recognize.
I think they'll recognize me no matter what, Jen.
Ah! What? Oh, yeah.
Careful. You be especially careful.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. It's good for your cold. What's everyone's rating? Out of 10. 10 out of 10. Me too. 10 out of 10.
Me and an extra, obviously 10 out of 10. What about you?
Wait, what am I supposed to say? Go. Okay. One more. 예쁘다.